Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over Microsoft PowerPoint. The first thing you want to do when you make a PowerPoint presentation is pick your slide design. And I've got a bunch of them here. We're going to go with this one. Something that is handy for a language class or just in general is the translate feature, which is in all of the Microsoft Office programs, I believe. But you can click on Mini Translator, or you could just highlight some text. Let's call this official title, and you can highlight it and click Translate, and it will pop up this window. And you can choose your language you want it to be translated in. Let's go Hebrew. And then it puts it in there in Hebrew, which I think is really neat. To put a new slide, you go right here. You can just click and put in the random slide, or you can pick your slide. Let's put a blank one in. Another neat thing is the video, including video in your PowerPoint. If you already have something and want to put it in instead of talking about it, you could just show the video straight from your PowerPoint. Let's use SmartArt from the Microsoft Word page. So you got this box, you can size it. You can add shapes to it, or I'll show you what that does. It cuts out a shape and only shows video in that shape.
Click on.
You can put a border on the shape, or I think just on the video in general. Yes. And that's just in the Format tool, or the Format tab under Video Tools. You can change the color or brightness and contrast and things like that. So if you click on the Playback tab under Video Tools, you can add bookmarks to your timeline. You can fade it in or out, hide while not playing, loop until stopped. And you can trim your video if you only want a certain section. You can trim it like this. Just drag the start and the end to where you want it, and click OK, and it automatically trims it here. If you are working on a project and you want to mark things up, you can, wait, let me just put a new slide in for this. You can insert, I'm just going to find a picture really quick. Say you have this picture of the brain and you want to label it. You can insert shapes, grab this arrow, and I'm not sure what parts of the brain are, but you can do this. And it draws the arrow, and then you can insert a text box and put the label in. And then to save it so that it doesn't move around, because sometimes it does that, you can save as a JPEG. So it will stay in its, nothing's going to move around if you save it as a JPEG, because that's a picture file. I think that's all I wanted to talk about. Thanks.